Thank you for installing Presence for Meet, the Google Meet attendance app. This install guide is for Google administrators only. The first thing we want to do is create a Google Cloud project. You can name the project Presence Service Account. You can edit the ID or leave it and click Create. Now that the project has been created, we can now create a service account. So we click this link and make sure that you select the project that you just created. We go to Create Service Account, and the name that we will enter is Presence Service. And if you would like to put a description, you can put the service account. You will click Create. We will have to assign the role as owner. Click Continue, and done. The service account is now created. So we created the service account, we assigned the role of owner, and done. Now we have to create a key. So we will click these three dots and create key. We will keep the key type as a JSON file. The file will download to your computer. And what you want to do is append your domain name at the front. So for us, it would be gdevapps.com/. So the file is now renamed. What we want to do is we want to securely upload this file using this link. Upload files, and drag the file, the JSON file that was created. And close. The service account is now set up. We need to now enable some APIs. So we'll click this link here. Enable APIs and services. Search for admin SDK. Oops. Click Enable. So enable services, admin SDK, enable. This is the result screen that you should see. So we have to delegate the service account by creating this link. Make sure we select the correct service account. And we need the unique ID. So we'll click this account and we'll copy this unique ID. We'll paste it here for now. Okay, so we'll go to the delegation screen. We're going to add new. We're going to paste the client ID that we just got. And we're going to copy all of these scopes and paste it here. And click Authorize. When you click on this, you should see all the scopes for this service account as being active. That completes the setup for the Google administrators for Presence for Meet. Once you are complete, please email help.desk@gdevapps.com to let us know that you have completed the setup, and we will activate everything for you. Thank you.